Been sharing a bit about spiritual distortions and misunderstandings in the religious and spiritual space, and I have a big one today, so stay tuned. So this is probably the biggest misunderstanding out there, and before I get into it, I just want to share that you never ever want to feel like you have to believe anything anyone says, me included. That goes for the news, that goes for respected authorities in your community. Always listen with an open mind, but then check in with your gut or your intuition, your inner wisdom, whatever you call it. Check in, because the truth will resonate. And what I'm about to share, you may want to resist and, call it a falsehood, and that's fine, but don't push it away right away. Sit with it, because the truth will resonate. The biggest misunderstanding, because this is practiced in every religion around the world, is the concept that we need to worship divinity. God does not mind if we want to worship them, but they don't require it or need it. That's us personifying God and putting our expectations onto them, because it's ego-based. And divinity doesn't have ego. They also don't have gender, by the way. So we have extrapolated based on our egocentric needs of wanting to be revered and seen as an authority, put on a pedestal. We feel like divinity wants that too, on a throne. Worshipped, on our knees, head bowed. That's not what they want from us. Again, there's nothing wrong with it if that's really helping you feel connected with divinity. But what they really want is for us to love them by loving each other, because God's light and love is in every single human on this planet. And hating anyone else, let alone inflicting violence on them, is a travesty against our great Creator. So what they want us to do to revere them is to take care of and love each other. That is the most potent spiritual practice we can have. Our great Creator wants a relationship with us, and that requires two-way communication, which is hard to do if you're sitting in the middle of a group in a ritual. It requires getting quiet and listening for us to hear their communication, that inner guidance we were all born with. You can hear it if you stop and you ask questions and you get quiet and listen. Don't ever forget that the great Creator's love and light is part of you. Love yourself, love others, and let your light shine. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.